Welcome to the Shell Helix Ultra Heartbeat experience. Your friend in need, your home on the move, your partner in crime. You love your car, don't you? Ever wondered what keeps your car going? It's your car's engine, the heart of your vehicle. And it's the engine oil that keeps this heart beating. Come, join us on a journey as we take you inside your car's heart to understand how a superior engine oil such as Shell Helix Ultra enhances your car's performance and keeps the engine running at its best. Shell Helix Ultra is a superior synthetic lubricant created from natural gas instead of crude oil to enhance your car's performance. We use our patented Pure Plus technology to create this superior engine oil without any impurities, so that your car's heart stays healthy. You definitely want to know more about how Shell Helix Ultra keeps your engine ticking. Come, let's really get to the heart of the matter. When Shell Helix Ultra is poured into the engine, it collects in a reservoir called the sump. From here, it travels through pipes and reaches different parts of your car's engine, just like the heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Just like toxins accumulate in our body, over time, even the best engines generate dirt and deposits which aggregate inside it. This buildup of dirt and deposits negatively impacts the engine's performance. Let's look inside the oil gallery to see how these deposits are cleaned with our active cleansing technology. Shell Helix Ultra's active cleansing technology disperses and cleans dirt and deposits, keeping your engine as good as factory clean. That's how your car's heart remains in good shape. Different parts of your engine interact with each other, resulting in wear and tear, such as this camshaft. Our synthetic technology creates even-sized molecules which uniformly covers your engine parts, creating a protective shield around it. The result is higher protection from wear and tear, which keeps the heart of your car, the engine, completely fit and healthy. Your engine also has high-load parts. Ordinary lubricants fail to maintain a steady layer of lubrication in these areas, resulting in engine damage. But with Shell Helix Ultra, you have no reason to worry. We maintain a steady layer between these different parts, even under high-load situations, giving your engine unmatched protection. Did you know that the more friction there is between the moving parts of your engine, the more fuel you will burn? Shell Helix Ultra's low viscosity, low friction formulation helps your vehicle achieve a minimum of 2.5% higher mileage by ensuring better engine efficiency and performance. Now you know why your engine is really the heart of your car, and we keep it running smoothly, longer and stronger. Shell Helix Ultra. Performance you can feel.